सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः स्वागतं शुभस्वागतम्। अद्य वयम् सप्तमकक्षायाः पंडिता रमाबाई इति पाठं पठन्तः स्मः। पाठस्य एवं शीर्षकं वर्तते पंडिता रमाबाई इति। पंडिता रमायाः जन्म एवं तस्याः मातापितरौ कौ इति अस्माभिः ज्ञातमेव वर्तते। तस्याः पिता अनंतशास्त्री डोंगरे, माता च लक्ष्मीबाई आस्ताम्। तस्याः जन्म 850-अष्टादशतमे ख्रीष्टाब्दे सा जन्म अलभत। तस्मिन् समये स्त्री शिक्षायाः स्थितिः उत्तमा नासीत्। तथापि अनंतशास्त्री डोंगरे लक्ष्मीं संस्कृतम् अध्यापितवान्। लक्ष्मीबाईतः रमाबाई अपि संस्कृतम् अधीतवती। एवं पंडिता रमायाः जीवनचरितं वयं किञ्चित् ज्ञातवन्तः। अद्य अग्रे पठामः। कालक्रमेण रमायाः पिता विपन्नः सञ्जातः। तस्याः पितरौ ज्येष्ठा भगिनी च दुर्भिक्षापीडिताः दिवङ्गताः। तदनन्तरं रमा स्वज्येष्ठभ्रात्रा सह पद्भ्यां समग्रे भारते भ्रमणं कुर्वती कोलकातां प्राप्ता। तत्र सा ब्रह्मसमाजेन प्रभाविता वेदाध्ययनम् अकरोत्। पश्चात् सा बालिकानां स्त्रीणां च कृते संस्कृतस्य वेदशास्त्रादिकस्य च शिक्षायै आन्दोलनं प्रारब्धवती। 80-अष्टादशतमे ख्रीष्टाब्दे सा विपिनबिहारीदासेन सह न्यायालये विवाहम् अकरोत्। सार्धैकवर्षानन्तरं तस्याः पतिः दिवङ्गतः। What a life story it is. कालक्रमेण रमायाः पिता विपन्नः सञ्जातः। When as the time moved, Rama's father Anantashastra Dongre, he has sampannah vipannah. Vipannah means daridraha, dhanahinaha. He has become very poor and he passed away. तस्याः पितरौ ज्येष्ठा भगिनी च दुर्भिक्षा पीडिताः दिवंगताः। At this point you must know what is durbiksha. Durbiksha means drought or a famine, where there is a scarcity of food. So when such a situation has arrived, Ramabai's father Anantashastri Dongre, mother Lakshmibai and her elder sister, all three died because of the hunger. That's why every day duty master tells you not to waste the food in the mess. So durbiksha karanam means no food. We know, we see the advertisement. People are starving. They are not having one meal per day. But after having 3, we are playing with the grapes which we get. So we have to understand the reality of the society. We have to give something to the society. So know the value of the food is very basic need. Children, this is the right time. Understand from this lesson. Tadanantaram Rama स्वज्येष्ठ भ्रात्रा सह पद्भ्यां समग्रे भारते भ्रमणं कुर्वती कोलकातां प्राप्ता. See, because of the drought, she is not getting anything to eat. Along with her elder brother, entire India she roamed on foot. My dear, not on the Lamborghini. On foot, she is going on foot along with her brother. Finally, she reached Kolkata. Tatra sa Brahma Samajena Prabhavita. You study in history Arya Samaj, Brahma Samaj. Rajaram Mohan Rai started Brahma Samaj. Arya Samaj is started by Dayananda Saraswati. Dayananda Saraswati tells Vedan Pratigacha, go back to Vedas. Brahma Samaj, Rajaram Mohan Rai stops child marriage, all these things. So there they give very importance to studies of the Vedas. So she was very much impressed by the Brahma Samaj. Sa Vedadhyanam akarot. So there she started studying Vedas. Paschat sa balikanam strinancha krite samskritasya veda shastradikasya cha shikshayai andolanam prarabdhavati. Later, after studying Vedas in Kolkata, she started Paschat Anantaram Balikanam Strinam Krite, specially for girls and women. Samskritasya, we have to teach. That's why, my dear, you are very lucky that you are studying Sanskrit. So she started a movement to teach Sanskrit to the girls, to teach Vedas to the women. Such a movement she started. Ashityadika Ashtadasha Tame Krishtabde in 1880. Sa Vipina Bihari Dasena Saha Nyayalaye Vivaham Akarot. We state ourselves we are in the modern society. But still, how many of you freely go to police station, freely go to the court? Still today, if somebody is going to the police station with a genuine reason, we see he may be a criminal. If somebody regularly goes to the court, we feel that he has done something wrong. But imagine in 1880, such an advanced mind. It is not the society, it is the mind which is advanced. She married, not only going to the court, she married. First registered marriage she did in 1880s in the court along with Vipina Bihari Das. She married Vipina Bihari Das. See, Sardhaika Varshanantaram Tasyaha Patihi Api Divangata. So it is told that when unfortunate knocks you, even the golden spoon will be filled only with the germs. That means her luck was so pathetic that after 1.5 years, Sardhaika Varshanantaram, that means 1880 she married. In 1882, she lost her husband. 1882. Sardhaika Varshanantaram Tasyaha Patihi Divangataha. That's why it is told, when somebody is determined so strong, nothing can stop them. Even though she is finding all the difficulties in the life, she never stood. She never stopped herself. She continued to do something good. So then what happens? We will see the next paragraph. Tadanantaram sa putrya manoramaya saha Maharashtram pratyagachat. Naruinam samuchita sammanaya shikshayaicha sa swakiyam jivanam arpitavati. सर्वकारेण संघटिते उच्च शिक्षा आयोगे रमाबाई नारी शिक्षा विषये स्वमतं प्रस्तुतवती. सा उच्च शिक्षार्थम इंग्लैंड देशं गतवती. तत्र ईसाई धर्मस्य स्त्री विषयकैः उत्तम विचारैः प्रभाविता जाता. तदनन्तरम after losing her husband, Sa putrya manoramaya saha, she along with her daughter Manorama, Maharashtram pratyagachat. From Kolkata, she came back to Maharashtra. Narinam samuchita sammananaya, the proper respect, for the sake of proper respect to the women. Shikshayai, for the proper education to the women. Sa swakiyam jivanam arpitavati. She sacrificed her life for the upliftment of women and their respect. Sarvakarena sanghatite uccha shiksha ayoge. When the government has conducted a commission for the higher education, Ramabai nari shiksha vishaye swamatam prastutavati. Ramabai spoke about the importance of women education in front of the higher education, in the higher education. Sa Uccha Shikshartam England Desham Gatavati. She herself for the higher studies went to England. Tatra Isai Dharmasya Stri Vishayakaihi Uttama Vicharaihi Prabhavita Jata. You might have seen that our teacher on his car he has kept, let the noble thoughts come from everywhere. This is the quote in the Rig Veda. Ramabai followed it in her life. She went to England. She was so much impressed by the Christianity. Isai Dharmaha means Christianity. So what she liked in the Christianity is respect for the women. So she learnt that we must respect the women in the society, and she could spread it in India. This is what the gist today we are going to learn. Once again, for your benefit, I am going to read both the paragraphs. कालक्रमेण रमायाः पिता विपन्नः संजातः. तस्याः पितरौ ज्येष्ठा भगिनी च दुर्भिक्षा पीडिताः दिवंगताः. तदनन्तरं रमा स्वज्येष्ठभ्रात्रा सह पद्भ्यां समग्रे भारते भ्रमणं कुर्वती कोलकातां प्राप्ता. तत्र सा ब्रह्मसमाजेन प्रभाविता वेदाध्ययनम् अकरोत्. पश्चात् सा बालिकानां स्त्रीणां च कृते संस्कृतस्य वेदशास्त्रादिकस्य च शिक्षायै आन्दोलनं प्रारब्धवती. 80-18तमे ख्रीष्टाब्दे सा विपिन बिहारी दासेन सह न्यायालये विवाहम् अकरोत्. सार्धैकवर्षानन्तरं तस्याः पतिः दिवङ्गतः. तदनन्तरं सा पुत्र्या मनोरमया सह महाराष्ट्रं प्रत्यागच्छत्. नारीणां समुचित सम्माननाय शिक्षायै च सा स्वकीयं जीवनम् अर्पितवती. सर्वकारेण संघटिते उच्चशिक्षा आयोगे रमाबाई नारी शिक्षा विषये स्वमतं प्रस्तुतवती. सा उच्चशिक्षार्थम् इंग्लैंड देशं गतवती. तत्र ईसाई धर्मस्य स्त्री विषयकैः उत्तम विचारैः प्रभाविता जाता. एवं तिष्ठामः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सर्वेषां शुभं भवतु. गृहे एव तिष्ठन्तु. स्वस्थाः जीवन्तु. भवतु शुभदिनं. भवतु अनुदिनं. धन्यवादाः.